Hello students, let's continue with the discussion of our chapter Sound. The specific objective of today's topic are pitch and quality, that are characteristics of sound, and the other one which we have done on previous day was loudness. And the second topic which we'll be covering up today is music and noise. So in previous lecture we have discussed characteristics of sound, that is loudness, and its relationship with intensity. Pitch. Students, pitch is that characteristic of sound by which a shriller note can be distinguished from a flat note. A shriller note is a note which has more frequency as comparative to the flat note which has less frequency. That is, the number of vibrations are more for a shriller note and number of vibrations are less for a flat note or a vibration with lower pitch. So from here we can conclude that pitch depends upon a factor, that is frequency. What is low pitch? That is less frequency. And what is higher pitch? That is the wave with high frequency. Just see the diagram, students. This is high pitch. It has more number of vibrations. That means it has more frequency. So it is high pitch, a note with high pitch. And if I'll talk about this diagram, it has less number of vibrations. So its frequency is less. So it gives you a note with low pitch. Now let's discuss the subjective nature of pitch and objective nature of frequency. Students, pitch refers to a sensation, that is feeling, as received by the listener. It may be different for a sound of a particular frequency. If there are same number of vibrations, it can be different varying from person to a person. A young person will be able to bear a high pitch with a soothing effect, a soothing feeling, whereas an old person is not comfortable with the same level of sound. So pitch defines subjective nature. On the other hand, frequency is defined as the number of vibrations produced by a particle in a second. So it is a definite quantity. It is a measurable quantity. So frequency is taken as objective in nature. Now let's discuss the another characteristic of sound, that is quality. Quality of a sound is that characteristic which distinguishes the two sounds of same loudness and same pitch. That is, that sound has got same amplitude and same frequency but emitted by two different instruments. So if we'll take one side piano, the another side guitar, the waveform, the timbre, it will be different for both the sounds. So that will define the quality. Just see this diagram, students. Here you can see the amplitude for this wave and this wave is same. And the other side, if I talk about the number of vibrations, that are also same for both of them. But the waveform is totally different. So this distinguishes the quality of the wave. That is quality of sound wave. Students, our next topic for the day is music and noise. Music is a sound waveform which is regular, smooth and pleasant to our ears, whereas noise is harsh and unpleasant to our ears. It is produced by vibrations which are periodic. You can see here in the picture, these are periodic vibrations, whereas noise is produced by irregular succession of disturbances. The sound level for music is low, which is friendly to human ears. that is between 10 decibels to 30 decibels, whereas sound level is high in the case of noise. Music produces regular waveform, whereas noise produces irregular waveform. For example, for the case of music, sound produced by any musical instrument or a tuning fork, and noise, it can be a sound produced by an aeroplane, any vehicle, an industrial machine striking the hammer on the wood, that can also cause noise pollution. So this is all for today, students. Thank you.